This is Dave from Mine Blackbird Cycles, and we're because this motor had so many metal shavings in it, we've got to pull the pan, oil pan, as well, and so it can be washed out, cleaned out, and there's a small mount back here, which is actually, I think, part of the fender mount. Actually, maybe it's the exhaust mount where the crossover goes through, and that crossover probably has a ring that attaches up there, so we got to get it out of the way. Hopefully this oil pan will either slide out forward, which I'm hoping. It may have to come out to the back. If it does, I may have to pull the tire out of it. Nope, we got her out. This oil pan had been changed before, and I'll explain why. There's a problem with these right here. Some models were really thin, and I'm not sure which side it was. I think it was this side, but when you go to change or drain the oil, one of these two sides, I know they were talking if this gets over tight and it cracks. Well, that's what happened to his first pan, and that's what the deal was. And there is some metal shavings in there, so we definitely have to get this top plate out, clean this pan real good, and then put this top plate back in. This is part of the baffling system for the oil pan, so that when you take off real fast, all the oil doesn't rush to the back of the pan. And these are not going to be fun, because I'm pretty sure that these will have to be drilled. They look like rivets. So all these rivets will have to be drilled to get this off, and then we'll have to re-drill the holes after we get this off, drill the rivets out, and put new rivets back in it. But that'll be a video for another day. So the oil pan's out. I wondered what was hanging out in the way of the damn dipstick. So anyway, till I get this out and clean this up. Once we get that cleaned up, then we can put that back on. And back to the motor. Once we get back to the motor, then you'll be watching us put that motor in as well. And got the transmission held up by a ratchet strap here. Everything should go back together fairly easy. And we'll get this thing back on the road. Like I said, I'm working on some other projects. I've been filming out in the other shop because we're putting a twin cam motor together that's going in the build we got going on out there. And I got been filming on that today and as well. And we dropped flywheels in the M8 cases that are going back in this. I got to pick up some. There's a real good RTV that I use, and it wasn't available in town, so and I don't have enough to do that set of cases left, so I had to order some, but that'll be in hopefully tomorrow or the next day, and I'll use that same RTV. I don't actually. I probably won't RTV this pan. I'm gonna clean it up real good and put a good gasket in it. Somebody else put this pan on before, and I have a real problem with anybody using Permatex in a Harley motor. That's a no-no. I don't know why people don't understand this. All these little pieces of Permatex, like that piece was ready to fall off. Guess where that goes? Right down inside the damn oil pan. Guess what happens when that gets sucked up into this engine? Clogs off an oil port to the cam or somewhere. Causes something to go out. You know, could be the reason why this thing is in here in the first place with metal shavings in it. Could have been some of this Permatex got into that motor somewhere and clogged off a port. So it's a good thing once we found the oil shavings, there was no decision left. The whole motor had to come apart. Especially when we found it in the oil filter. When we found the oil or the metal shavings in the oil filter, we knew for sure that this motor, everywhere that oil traveled, left shavings. So anyway, this is Dave from Myron Blackbird Cycles. Y'all have a good one. Take it easy. And do us a big favor. Hit the subscribe. We're really trying to drive our subscribers up now. And y'all have a good day. Keep your rubber side down, shiny side up. And we'll see you on the next one. Dave from Myron Blackbird Cycles.